Hello everyone. This is our revision video for Unit Test 2. In Unit Test 2, fourth chapter Agriculture is going to come. So this is your revision video. Please listen it very carefully and revise the chapter. Agriculture is the primary and the oldest activity practiced by humankind. It provides 90% of our food and beverage requirements. The bulk of our clothing, fiber, and large amount of raw material. Now some factors which affect agriculture. Agriculture is practiced in over 49% of the Earth's land surface, and it employs more than half of the world's population. More than 50% population are dependent on agriculture, and in India 66% of total population are dependent on agriculture. There are a number of factors that affect agricultural practice or farming in different parts of the world. Some of these are we are going to discuss. The most important factor is climate. Plants thrive best under certain temperature conditions, which also determine their growth period. The annual and seasonal distribution of rainfall determines the available water supply to plant and the active growth period of crops. These are the major crops which is received from cultivation, from farming. We can see the countries, we can see the continents where large variety of crops, almost every crop is grown in different part of world. So climate is the most important factor. Second factor is relief. Second factor we are going to discuss is relief. The great agricultural regions are in the plain areas. The flat land, plain area are suitable for agriculture. Rugged relief hinders farming. A good drainage system means a supply of river water that favors irrigation. So these are some major factors which support agriculture. That's all for today. Tomorrow again, one revision. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you are going to receive again one revision video on the basis of our chapter, which is going to come in Unit Test 2. Thank you very much.